Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this yellow shaded trapezoid ABCD, as you can see in this given diagram, such that its bases AB and CD are parallel to each other, and they are 6 and 9 units respectively. And furthermore, its leg AD is 7 units, whereas its other leg BC is 8 units. And now our task is to calculate the area of this yellow shaded trapezoid ABCD. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And now let's recall the definition of the trapezoid. Sometimes we call it trapezium. A quadrilateral with at least one pair of parallel sides. As you can see in this given diagram, this side is parallel to this side. And now let's recall the area of a trapezoid formula. Area is always equal to height h times the bases a plus b all over 2. As you can see in this given diagram, our base A is 9 units, our base B is 6 units, and this is the height of this trapezoid. And now our task is to calculate the value of this height h. So therefore we are going to think outside the box, and we are going to draw this line BE that is parallel to this leg AD, as you can see over here. So therefore, if this leg is 7 units, then this BE leg is going to be 7 units as well. And moreover, if this side AB is 6 units, then this segment DE is 6 units as well. And finally, we know that this whole side CD is 9 units. So therefore, this remaining segment EC is going to be 9 minus 6 is going to give us 3 units. And now let's focus on this triangle EBC, whose side lengths are 3, 7 and 8. And now we are going to find the area of this triangle EBC. So therefore we are going to use the Heron's formula, as you can see over here. The area of the triangle is always equal to the square root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c, where s is always equal to a plus b plus c all over 2. No wonder s is called the semi-perimeter. And in our case, our leg A is 3 units, our leg B is 7, and our leg C is 8 units. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this formula. So S is going to be equal to, our side length A is 3 plus B is 7 and C is 8 all over 2. Let's simplify furthermore. S is going to be equal to, if we add the number on the numerator, that is going to give us 18 divided by 2. So therefore, lowercase s value turns out to be 9 units. And now we are going to fill in the blanks in this formula. Our s value is 9. I'm going to put down 9 times 9 minus a value is 3. 9 minus b value is 7. And finally, this s is 9 minus c value is 8. As you can see in this next step, I have substituted all those values, and this is going to be the area of this triangle EBC. So let's simplify. That is going to give us 9 times this is going to give us 6 times this is going to give us 2, and then times this is going to give us 1, as you can see in this next step. And if we multiply the radicand, that is going to give us square root of 108, and that is going to be equal to 6 times square root of 3 square units. So thus the area of this triangle EBC turns out to be 6 times square root of 3 square units. And in this next step, I have dropped this perpendicular BF on this side CD. And I'm going to label this height h of this perpendicular BF. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times base times the height. And for this triangle EBC, the base of this triangle is 3 units. And the height is lowercase h. And furthermore, the area of this triangle EBC is 6 times square root of 3. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this formula. So we got the area of this triangle as 6 times square root of 3 is going to be equal to a half times our base is 3 times our height is h. So therefore we can write this equation as 3 divided by 2 times h equals to 6 times square root of 3. And now I'm going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal 2/3 on this side, and I'm going to multiply by 2/3 on this side as well. And here we can see 3 and 3 is gone, 2 and 2 is gone. So therefore our height h turns out to be equal to 4 times square root of 3 units. So thus the height h turns out to be 4 times square root of 3. And here's our final step. Now we are going to calculate the area of this yellow shaded trapezoid ABCD. Let's recall the area of a trapezoid formula once again. Area equals to height h times the sum of these two bases a plus b all over 2. And in our case, our base a is 9, our base b is 6, and our height h is 6 times square root of 3. So therefore our yellow trapezoid area is going to be height is 4 times square root of 3 times our a value is 9 plus b value is 6 all over 2. Let's simplify furthermore. So we are going to have 4 times square root of 3 times 9 plus 6 is going to give us 15 all over 2. So therefore, if we simplify everything on the right hand side, that is going to give us 30 times square root of 3 square units, the area of this yellow shaded trapezoid. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this yellow trapezoid turns out to be 30 times square root of 3 square units. And that's going to be approximately equal to 51.962 square units as well. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.